Okay, welcome back. We have another unboxing from a company up in Pennsylvania. So you know what that means. Cigars. Stogie Bird. Stogie Bird's a subscription box. Basically, you give them X amount of money, or they take it out of your credit card, and they give you stogies. Cool. I got you pay them, what is it, $60, and they give you 8 cigars. They're a little higher end, not your normal like $5 cigars, maybe like $10 to $12 cigars. Saw the reviews, and I was like, yeah, screw it, why not? Let's try it. They also have, I think it's 2 for $20. They have they're all different. They go up to about $60, and $60 gives you 8 cigars. But yeah, so let's open it up. My knife, cheap Leatherman, not really a Leatherman, knockoff Leatherman. I don't know. Let's see what we got. So they sent it in a box. Stogie Bird tape. I have said this before. I don't like it when they deliver things and they mark the company logo all over it, but it is what it is. Try to get this out. It's really in there. All right, packaging. A little tough to open up. It's like they glue everything. Let's see. There we go. So, the thing about Stogie Bird is they give you a bunch of little stuff. You got a tube, you got a couple feathers, just a nice little touch. You know, something different. So, they also give you a piece of paper, and it goes over all the cigars in here and describes what they are. Everything from the origin to the size to what's in them. I guess so as you're smoking them, you can review them and figure out, oh, I like this cigar. I want to get more. What's in it? And then try to find cigars that have similar leaves so you can enjoy more cigars. Yay! Wrapping paper. They go all out. The one thing I like about this company is they work with Boveda. And Boveda is a great humidification. I have it all in my humidors, and I'm just happy that when they send them, the cigars stay fine, because I may not get these right away. I work very long shifts, so I'm never really home when they show up to the door. So it's okay if they kind of hang out for a day. I ordered this Friday. Today is Tuesday. It came yesterday. So with the weekend, a couple days, they're based out of Pittsburgh. And again, I'm from Maryland, so not too far ahead of travel. But let's crack it open and see what we got here. Whoa! We got stickers on stickers. That's all that's in the tube. Put that guy right here. Right there. Okay. We got a little Stogie Bird sticker. We have a building better beard sticker. What is this? Can you handlebar? Okay, weird. Scar pulpit. Okay. Looks like a little shows 5 off your first order. Okay. There you go. If anybody's interested, give me the bird. More stickers, more stickers. Everybody support veteran-owned small American business. Very nice. And let's see, Flatbed Cigar Company. Another sticker. So, cigars are in here. It is not only ziplocked, but it's sealed. And there should be a Boveda pack in here, and the cigar should be good. So let's move all this over here. Let's crack open and see what we got. Again, I set it up once a month. So once a month I get 8 decent good cigars. I'm okay with that. So we have, all right, that's all it's in there. Here's a little Boveda pack that comes in, a little 69%. These are really great. I throw these in my little travel humidor. They usually last a good bit. What we got here? Get out the list. I don't even know how to put this here. First one is a Farce Room 101. Let's see here. Room 101 is a Dominican Republic cigar. Connecticut wrapper. Binders Indonesia. Okay. Mild to medium. Okay. Mild medium. What we got here? The King is dead. The King is dead. Oh boy. The King is dead. Oh, here we go. Another Dominican Republic cigar. 5.5 by 50. Brazilian, Dominican. Okay. Medium to full. Okay. What do we have here? Who makes this? I have no idea. It does not say really on the wrapper. Put off on that one. We'll figure it out. We have a Natcico? Nicaraguan. Very good. Medium full. Rated 90 on Cigar Aficionado. Oh, okay. Okay. What we got here? Intemperance? Where's the Intemperance? Whiskey Rebellion. Here we go. Another Nicaraguan. This is a full strength. Need to remember that. Eat a good meal before you have that. Right here we have, what's that? Coffee? How do you even say it? San Andreas. I'm horrible at pronouncing things, guys. I fell asleep in English class growing up. We got a... What is this? A signature Camacho. Camacho, there we go. It's a mild to medium. A lot of mild and mediums in this. Mediums to fulls, really. Okay. Dominican Republic. The binder's Nicaragua. Okay. And we have a Panacea Flatbed Cigar Company. Okay. These are not, this one's not, a lot of these are not rated. I think with Stogie Bird, they're trying to find other cigars by other makers and just try to get their names out there. I'm totally cool with that because I have no idea what I really like, and I've been smoking for like 10 years. I know what about I like. All right, looks like this guy must be the La Barba. It's the only one on here I haven't talked about. Yeah, medium strength, Dominican. Okay. 6.5 by 52. Nice little elephant guy on there. I don't know if you can see it. But yeah. So this is Stogie Bird. So you get all this great stuff for 60 bucks. So 8 cigars, 60 bucks a month. Free shipping. That's another thing. Free shipping. So it literally is just 60 bucks out of your account and you're good to go. When you first start the order, regardless of when you start, they'll send it out that day. So say it's today and you want to go get some. Make an account, make an order, they'll send it out.